guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video again is an impromptu video, but it is a fun video because I'm doing a challenge. Yeah! 2x spicy Maggi challenge.
Oh my god! Wow!
Is the light okay? Got the hot chicken flavor. I ordered it from Amazon. I didn't know where to get it from here. I've tried this once in Dubai and it was bad. Yeah, I am super excited to do this, but I'm also nervous, and I think you guys enjoy more of my vlogs and something that is spontaneous, and I'm going to do more spontaneous stuffs, and I would also want you guys to tell me in the comments कि तुम लोग को क्या चैलेंज देखना है. मैं वो चीज़ ऑर्डर कर दूंगी. तो मुझे वो बताओ कि क्या चैलेंजेस देखना है,
कैसे वीडियोस देखना है, व्लॉग क्या करना है, क्योंकि व्लॉग करने के लिए मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकती. सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू नो, अ डे इन माय लाइफ, और व्हाट डू आई डू द एंटायर डे, व्हाट डू आई ईट द एंटायर डे, जो भी है मुझे उसे बताया करो.
और आज के लिए विदाउट देरी किए लेट्स जस्ट जंप इनटू हैविंग दिस. Okay guys, so I am back. This is ready. Smells like mirchi. I am ready with this as well, if at all, gulab jamun, if at all I want to or I have to have it. I'm ready with my towel, maybe if I need it. Yeah! Let's do this!
करना परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से. ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर.
के ये बहुत गर्म है, ठीक है, तो इसे थोड़ा ठंडा होने देती हूँ, वरना ज़ुबान जल जाएगी, और जल जाएगी तो आई बी डेड. ओके, जय माता दी. आई एम गोना गो इन विथ माय फर्स्ट बाइट. मैं इसको थोड़ा ठंडा होने देती हूँ.
Do it! Just
ना कभी से बह रही है यार. Yummy. It is spicy, but अभी तक वो किक नहीं किया है. But about me, I love eating spicy food, so I'm liking it. But there was this one time जहाँ मैंने there's Jimmy's Burger in Andheri, and we ordered like spicy chicken wings. He told me, madam बहुत spicy है. I said हाँ लाओ spicy, I like spicy. He said are you sure? I said yeah, get it. And he got these spicy chicken wings. So spicy, it was so spicy. I can't even tell you. उस पे मिर्ची ऐसे कोटिंग परत लगी हुई थी मिर्ची की. It was super spicy. I think I also did a story about it, but I had my nose is watering. But I had like Kylie Jenner lips after that. I don't know what lips I will have after this. But honestly, I'm enjoying it. I like the taste. You know how this works? This affects after you're done eating the entire thing. Once you're done, once you stop eating, जब ये खत्म हो जाता है, तब जाके ऐसा लगता है कि oh my god, कितना तीखा खा लिया. Sorry, I never wanted to eat like this in front of you. It's not killing me though. I think I'm used to having spicy food, so. So there was this time when I was in Bangkok, at the Bangkok airport, and I am a die-hard fan of chicken fried rice. So I wanted to eat like Bangkok chicken fried rice, and they had only green mirchi and chili flakes. I got a call, but yeah, there was a. I used to have like chicken fried rice, and I love it. I was saying that only, right? I don't know. It's not bad. It's okay. I don't know how you guys are going to enjoy watching me eat, but I wanted to do this challenge, so I did it. But it wasn't a challenge for me, I guess. Was it? Let's see if I can sing a song with this. I don't know if I can, but we were both young when I first
a childhood friend. You know it's so, you know it's so, you know it's so.
let me have a bite. That's what I'm telling you. Once you stop eating it, that's when it hits you. So okay, it's cool. We're almost over. There's a lot, but अभी तो खा रही हूँ, बाद में वॉशरूम में बैठे रहूँगी सिर्फ. Okay, now my eyes are watering. Okay, I think from the last 3 bites, I had the entire packet to myself. I have good tolerance, I guess, right? We're done! Okay, proof. This is the real test. Now I have to wait for like this is when it is spicy. Once you're done eating it, okay. Oh, you can do it. You know what's happening? My nose. I have some sensation in my nose. Let's try and sing now, okay? Oh my god. Turning red. It is spicy, guys. But I could eat the entire thing, so it's not that bad for me. I'm gonna burp a lot, but भगवान खाने के बाद इतना तीखा कैसे लग सकता है? I have my gulab jamun staring at me, but I won't have it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. My nose is shaking. Is it? I am okay now. I still have like these palpitations on my lips and in my nose, but I am okay. And it was an amazing challenge. As this video is all about challenges, I want to take another challenge, which is the Ingrowth Hair Reduction Challenge by M Caffeine. I am so in love with this product. see, you just know from the packaging that how much I love this product, because I am obsessed with it. I've been using it for the longest time now, and I really love how this product works on your skin. This is their Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. It really targets the problems that I was facing and most of us face, which is ingrowth hair, and that is one thing that you can't help, because you tend to wax, you tend to raise, and that makes your skin really rough. It leaves it irritated, it's not smooth enough and stuff like that. I have been waxing and shaving sometimes. I also shave sometimes, don't tell everyone. I had a lot of ingrowth problem. I do still have, but this is really far more better than what I had earlier. I used to have these bumps and ingrowth and weird looking things on my arms, and I didn't wear sleeveless more often earlier. But after using this product, and this is not because I'm just boasting about it. No, I genuinely love this product, and that is why I am going to show you how I use this product and take up the challenge right now, so that you can see the difference with your own eyes. Because yeah, why would you trust me if I say something like that, right? So let's just get into it. And secondly, it is very important to clean, be hygienic, to take care of your skin, because if you don't do that, your skin is gonna have bad ingrowth and stuff. So as we are in a pandemic and we can't go to parlors and stuff like that, it is very important to take care of your skin at home, and this is one product which is going to really help you with your ingrowth problems. So to just cut the chase and come back to what I want to show you is, let's take this challenge by M Caffeine. You can see it yourself, because why not? So I am just gonna wet this part of my hand and even this part and show you the difference right now for you to judge. Okay, so I am back. I just put water on this part of my hand, and this is how it looks. You see I have a few ingrowths here and here. It's very clear. So I'm gonna use it on this hand of mine and show you how instantly it looks better, like instantly makes it look better. I'm gonna take a little bit of scrub in my hand, and then I'm just gonna rub it all over my hand. I love how it smells, guys. I mean, it smells amazing. I'm just gonna do this so that you guys can see my face because pretty face. Just kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna scrub it here nicely, and I want to tell you guys that this is not something that is gonna give you a result in the first try itself. I'm just using it right now in front of you because I want to show you how soft and shiny it looks with instant use. But it's gonna take around 7 to 8 uses, so that, and I use it twice a week, so you can use it like that, and then you can see results and you can tell me how you like the product, because I love it. And I'm almost done scrubbing it. It smells amazing, guys. Okay, let's go and wash it and come back. I am back and I want you to see. I'm just gonna wipe this right away, and I don't know how I can tell you, but can you just see how different? I mean, I don't know if you can, but I already feel it is soft as hell. See how dead the skin looks, and see how soft. I just feel it, guys. I mean, it's just, it looks cleaner. So I really love doing this challenge by M Caffeine, which is the ingrowth hair reduction challenge, and I think you guys should also try out this challenge and let me know in the comment section how you guys enjoy doing this. I love this product so much, and I think you should definitely give it a try. I'll leave the product details in the description below and also a link below, so for you to check it out. And yeah, let's do spa-like treatment at home. Use it twice a week, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And let me know if you try it, guys. And lots of love. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. And let me know in the comments when you try any of these challenges, because I would love to see your experience with them. And lots of love. Take care.